All right, Ort, we're using block code to build a dancing cat. Now, let's get rid of the when space key pressed block by dragging it back into the block area. Just like that. Now, all we have is our when green flag clicked block. This is our starter. So, let's add to it. These are motion blocks. Motion block makes things move. So if I add a point towards mouse pointer block, just like that, it should make the cat point towards my pointer here. Let's see if it works. Keep an eye on the cat. Oh. See that? The cat is pointing towards my cursor. Yes, Ort, I know. It's only a small move, but it's still a move. Let's add another. Let's choose the motion block that moves our cat, say, 10 steps. All right. There it goes. It moved 10 steps. And if I click the green flag again, that's something. Yes, Ort, I know you're getting excited, but let's have a look at one more thing. We also have something called look blocks. These change what we see. I can do things like add text and make it say something. I could change its outfit. I can even add a background. And if I add a change color by 25 block, it changes color. Not bad, huh? I can see Ort's enjoying it. So, we've used motion blocks and look blocks to make our cat move and even change color. Ready for some more cool tricks? I can see Ort is. All right then. Okay, Ort. So we've covered event blocks, motion blocks, and look blocks. But now what we're going to do is put it all together with something called control blocks. Now, control blocks tell the other blocks what to do. They're kind of like the boss. They can make blocks wait or repeat. Ooh, and they can even tell blocks to just keep going forever. That's right, Ort. Pretty much forever. Here, let's see if I choose this forever block, what happens. If I choose this forever block and place it around the other blocks, just like that, let's have a look and see what it does. Okay, so now I can drag my cat around and he never stops. The motion blocks don't stop and my look block doesn't stop. And that's because the control block is telling them to keep going. Whoa, how long can you last, Ort? Okay, go, Ort, keep going. Ooh, maybe I should... Okay, ooh. There we go. All right then, now we've used event blocks, motion blocks, look blocks, and now control blocks. All of that to make our cat dance. Oh, still pretty tired there, Ort. It's too bad there aren't more of you to dance forever. Then you could have a train of dancing Orts all over the planet. Well, tell you what if I could make a train of dancing cats? Yes way. The power of block coding is endless, just like our cats can be. Have you caught your breath yet, Ort? All right then. Well, how about we add one more fantastic effect to our dancing cat? Let's go.